So we are solving the WASSCE 2023 Elective Mathematics Paper 1, WASSCE for school candidates. So question 1 says a binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers R by P star Q is equal to P plus Q over square root of PQ. Evaluate -2 star -1. So we have the binary operation P star Q being equal to P plus Q over square root of PQ. So we are evaluating -2 star -1. So wherever we see P, we put -2, and wherever we see Q, we put -1, all over square root of -2 times -1. So this will be equal to -3, -1 plus -2 plus -1 is -3. Now square root of -2 times 1 is 2. So that will give us -3 over root 2. So we rationalize it. So multiply both the top and the down by root 2. So -3 times root 2 will be -3 root 2. Then root 2 times root 2 will be 2. So the correct answer will be -3 over 2 root 2. So this is the same as -3 over 2 root 2. So the correct answer is option C. So we are looking at question number 2. We are expressing 300 degrees in radians. So 300 degrees will be equal to convert from degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. So 300 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. So 60 will go into 180 how many times? 3 times. And 60 will go into 300 how many times? 5 times. So that will give us 5 pi over 3, or 5 over 3 pi, which is option A. Option A is correct. Then let's look at the question number 3. We have to simplify 6 over square root of 2 minus 2 plus 2 over square root of 2 plus 2. So this you can easily use the calculator to evaluate it, but let's see how we can show the working in case it appears in paper 2. So we call it the LCM. The LCM is root 2 minus 2 times root 2 plus 2. That is, now root 2 minus 2 will go into this. We are left with root 2 plus 2. Then we times it by 6. So 6 times root 2 plus 2. Then plus. So root 2 plus 2 goes into this, and we are left with root 2 minus 2. So we times it by this. So we have 2 into brackets root 2 minus 2. So the denominator becomes a difference of 2 squares. So we get root 2 all squared minus 2 all squared. Then we expand here 6 root 2. 6 times root 2 is 6 root 2. And 6 times 2 will be 12. Then plus 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. And 2 times -2 is minus 4. So when we simplify the numerator, we have 6 root 2 plus 2 root 2. That will give us 8 root 2. Then 12 minus 4 will give us plus 8 all over root 2 square is 2 and 2 square is 4. So this will simplify to 8 root 2 plus 8 all over negative 2. So 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4 root 2. Then 8 divided by give us another 4 here, negative 4. So the answer is negative 4 root 2 minus root 2 minus 4 root 2, which is option A. Option A is correct. Negative 4 minus 4 root 2. It is same as negative 4 root 2 minus 4. So we have question number 4. Given that square root of 3 exponent 5x minus 4 is equal to 9 exponent 2x plus 1. We have to find the value of x. So we express all as a base of 3. So the 9 becomes 3 exponent 2. Already there is an exponent there, which is 2x plus 1. Then the root 3 becomes 3 exponent 1 over 2. Already there is an exponent there, 5x minus 4. So we equate the exponents. 1 over 2 into bracket 5x minus 4 is equal to 2 into bracket 2x plus 1. So you can multiply through by 2 to get 5x. So times this one by 2 and times this one by 2. So you get 5x minus 4 because the half will cancel the 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 times 2x will be 8x. Then 4 times 1 will be plus 4. Now we can group the like terms. So we have 5x minus 8x is equal to 4 plus 4. Because 4 is negative, becomes positive. We have negative 3x is equal to 8. So dividing through by negative 3, we get x to be equal to 8 over negative 3, which is the same as negative 2 whole number 2 over 3. Negative 2 whole number 2 over 3. So the correct answer is option B. Option B is correct. Now let's take a look at question number 5. Question number 5 says that if f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x minus 3x squared, find the value of x for which f of x is maximum. So f of x is maximum at f prime of x. So you have f prime of x equals 0. That will be the point where f of x is maximum. So if you differentiate 1, you get 0. So you have 0. If you differentiate 2x, you get 2. And if you differentiate minus 3x squared, you get minus 6x is equal to 0. So 2 will be equal to 6x. Divided through by 6 by 6. 2 goes into itself once and into 6 3 times. So it will be at x equal 1 over 3. So the correct answer is option B. Now let's consider question number 6. Given that f of x is equal to 3x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. we're also given that f circle g of n is equal to 0. And we have to find the value of n. So f circle g of n is equal to f of g of n. And we're told this is equal to 0. Now g of n, wherever you see x, you put n. So it will be 5 minus 2n. So f of 5 minus 2n is equal to 0. Now we know that f of x is 3x plus 5. So whenever I see x here, I'll put 5 minus 2n. So 3 into bracket 5 minus 2n plus 5 is equal to 0. So that will give me 3 times 5 minus 3 times 2n plus 5 is equal to 0. So 15 minus 6n plus 5 is equal to 0. So 15 plus 5 is 20. So we have negative 6, n will be equal to negative 20. So n will be equal to negative 20 over 6, over negative 6. So n will be equal to 3 whole number 2, 3 whole number 2 over 6, or 3 whole number 1 over 3. So the correct answer is option A. Now let's look at the next question. Question number 7. If the determinant of x minus 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the matrix, is equal to negative 2, find the value of x. So determinant, you multiply this, then minus multiplication of this. So that will give you 5 into bracket x minus 2 minus 4 times 3, which is 12, is equal to negative 2. So 5 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to negative 2 plus 12, which is 10. So 5 into bracket x minus 2 is equal to 10. So divide both sides by 5. So 5 goes into 10 how many times? 2 times. So x minus 2 is equal to 2. So x equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So the value of x is 4. Option C is correct. Now let's look at question number 8. Question number 8, if f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 3, find f of q minus 4. So wherever we see x, we put q minus 4. So 2 into bracket q minus 4 all squared minus q minus 4, then plus 3. So this will be equal to 2 times, you have to expand first. So q minus 4 times q minus 4 minus q minus 4 plus 3. So let's go. This time this will give you q squared. So q squared, and this will give you minus 4q. And this will give you minus 4q again. And this will give you plus 16. And we expand here, q times negative 1 is negative q. And this will give you negative 1 times negative 4 with positive 4 plus 3. So this will give us 2 into q squared, negative 4q minus 4q with minus 8q. Then we add it to 16. Then we have minus q plus 7. So we have 2 times q squared is 2q squared. 2 times negative 8q is negative 16q. 2 times 16 is 32 minus q plus 7. So this will give us 2q squared. Negative 16q minus q, negative 17q. Then we have 32 plus 7 is 39. So that is f of q minus 4 for you. So that will be option A. Option A is correct. So let's now consider question number 9. Number 9, we have log 2 base 4 over 9 of y is equal to log 2 base 8 over 27 of 2. We have to find the value of y. So we can rewrite this as log 2 base 2 over 3 exponent 2 of y, then log of 2 to base 2 over 3 exponent 3. Now what we can do next is that we use the laws of logarithm. So this will become 1 over 2 log 2 base 2 over 3 of y is equal to 1 over 3 log 2 base 2 over 3 of 2. We again apply the laws of logarithm. So this will come and raise that to an exponent. This one to come and raise that to an exponent. So we are going to obtain log 2 base 2 over 3 of y exponent 1 over 2 is equal to log 2 base 2 over 3 of 2 exponent 1 over 3. So since the bases are the same now, we can equate the numbers. So y exponent 1 over 2 is equal to 2 exponent 1 over 3. So we square both sides to get y is equal to 2 exponent 1 over 3 exponent 2. Now that will give us y equal to 2 squared exponent 1 over 3. So we can swap their positions and it will not affect it. So that will give us cube root of 4. Cube root of 4. So the correct answer is option B. Now let's look at question number 10. Question number 10 says that we have to find the equation of the line. Question 10 of the line that passes through the point 3, 4 and is parallel to the line 2y plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we first of all have to determine the gradient, the slope. So 2y will equal to negative 4x plus 7 divided through by 2 by 2 by 2, we get y equal negative 2x plus 7 over 2. So compare it to y equal mx plus c, m is equal to negative 2. So using this slope and the point, y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So this is our x1, this is our y1. So y minus 4 is equal to m is negative 2, x minus 3. So we get y minus 4 is equal to negative 2x plus 6. and this will give us, we bring the 2x to this side, we get 2x plus y, and then we have negative 4 minus 6, which will give us 10, is equal to 0. So the correct answer is option C. Option C. The next video we are going to continue with questions 11 through 20.